Imagine this. It's the middle of winter and you wake up to discover frozen pipes. Your wellhead, pressure tank, and water lines are all blocked. It's a homeowner's nightmare, but don't worry, I've got the perfect solution for you. Hi folks, today I'm talking about insulated well houses from M&D Enterprises. These lifesavers are constructed from repurposed insulated paneling, which means they're cost-effective and efficient in temperature regulation. Let's dive into the details. First off, you can say goodbye to frozen pipes and hello to uninterrupted water flow. With sizes like 80-inch by 80-inch tall wall at $1,850, or a more compact 4 feet by 4 feet by 5 feet for $975, there's an option for every need and budget. What makes M&D's well houses stand out? It's all in the materials. Primarily, they use polystyrene panels, but if you need something extra durable, polyurethane panels are available too. Just give them a shout, and they'll sort it out for you. Now, here's something cool. If you pick up your well house from their Elk City location, you get a $100 discount and loading assistance. That's a win-win, right? M&D Enterprises has got you covered whether you're in Woodward, Weatherford, Fairview, or Canton, Oklahoma. They've made it super easy to reach them. Just call 580-886-2345 or email info@mowersok.com. So do yourself a favor this winter. Prevent those frustrating freezing problems and protect your well system with an insulated well house from M&D Enterprises. Trust me, your pipes and your wallet will thank you. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Stay warm out there. See you next time.